Hello, everybody. My name is Stephanie Condor Arenas. I am 28 years old and I am Peruvian. I am from Peru and I live in Huancayo. It is a pleasure to meet you all. I would like to tell you a little about myself and my preference. I love ceviche because it is one of my favorite Peruvian foods. I also like listening to music, especially rock music. I enjoy listening to rock when I have free time because it helps me relax and feel good. I like spending time listening to music and I love discovering different rock songs. However, I don't like sport. I am dislike playing sport because they are not my favorite activities. I prefer relaxing activities such as listening to music. I am happy to meet new people and share these experiences with all of you. I hope we can to know each other. I have a great time together. Thank you for listening. Nice to meet you.